With V2L, you can use electrical devices in places without electricity. Connect the plug to the V2L connector. While holding down the switch, open the connector protection cap. Open the charging door and connect the connector to the charging inlet. Press the power button on the connector. When the status indicator turns on, you can use electricity. If not using electricity, press the power button and confirm that the status indicator is turned off. Unlock the doors and press the switch to remove the connector.
Kia, movement that inspires.